guys, it's day one. Yes, it's day one of a vacation year to or weekend away. And ngoku, we are going for breakfast and then siya we second location where the vacation is going to be. Sesabhuka nje kwalapha eSummer Strand izolo. And then yeah, zangichazela xa sesibuya uba siyaphi. So, ndizonibonisa outfit yam. My man is going to be telling you guys ezinto uba ndizithenge iphi. Ndifuna nombona uba uzazi kangakanani. Okay, let's go.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Amila Okwembosi.
Don't me Amila, you come along Amila. Okay, it's fine.
Amila Okwembosi Nsila.
Okay.
And today I'm going to show you my OTD. OOTD.
OOTD. Outfit of the day. Yes.
OOTD.
Yes.
So I'm going to take a step closer. My knitwear, I got it from Shane.
But it's fine.
Okay.
Temu.
The tight, I got it from Total Sport.
Oh, yes.
And the shoes, I got them Sportson. It was years back, by the way.
No, just Sportson, yes. Then it's taking a website here when Nike 2022.
Proceed, Gabi. And the bag, of course, you know, Steve Madden in Dubai.
Yes, guys. I got this bag from Steve Madden at Dubai. Yes. In knitwear, my knitwear is from Temu, not Shein, but book close, yes, no. Proud of you, Rachel. And then Lena, Total Sport. Lena Nike, guys, ihleli le Air Force, ihleli. Some they won't take a thing. The Air Force, you're not from a website here one Nike. Yeah. So we are going for breakfast and then Thank you.
Sibona umsebenzi omhle kangaka khawuvele.
Yetata lapha khawuvele.
Khawuvele.
Yetata lapha khawuvele imani.
Sibona umsebenzi omhle
kangaka khawuvele. Ye mama lapha khawuvele. Kuvela mna. Ye mama lapha khawuvele imani.
Sibona umsebenzi omhle
kangaka khawuvele. Ye mama lapha khawuvele. Ay. Ye mama lapha khawuvele imani.
Sibona umsebenzi omhle
kangaka khawuvele. Sibona